Checking your transaction history on Xbox is essential for managing your purchases and subscriptions. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction details. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Go to your Xbox console or the Xbox app on your device. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once signed in, go to the main menu. Select the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Access account information. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. Click on it to access your account-related options. Step 4. View transaction history. Within the Account section, find and select Payment and Billing. Here, you will see an option for Order History or Transaction History. Click on it to view your past transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. You will now see a list of all your transactions, including purchases, subscriptions, and any other billing activities. You can click on individual transactions for more details. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your Xbox transactions. Regularly checking your transaction history can help you manage your gaming expenses effectively.